Today's topic is color. Learning objectives. After completing this topic, student will be able to identify color terms using the academic vocabulary of the discipline, and also they will be able to evaluate the use of color in the painting. Of all the elements of art, color is probably the most challenging to understand. We have to learn a little science to fully understand the nature of color. Color originates from the light source, that is either viewed directly or as reflected light. Daylight or white light contains light waves for all colors. अगर लाइट नहीं होएगी तो कोई भी कलर नहीं होएगा. Absence of light is completely darkness or black. So we can say it is a property of light rather than bodies. It is not an entity but a sensation conveyed to the mind through media of eyes. On the basis of purity and the mixture of colors, we can divide colors into several types. Here we will study some important types of colors. Let's start with the primary colors. Primary colors are those which cannot be obtained by mixing of two colors. They are pure and are found in nature as it is. Thus, these colors are known as natural colors. The primary colors are blue, red and yellow. Secondary colors. The colors obtained by mixing of two primary colors is called secondary colors. Like red plus blue is violet, blue plus yellow is green, red plus yellow is orange. It means the secondary colors are also three. They are violet, green and orange only. Next is tertiary colors. Tertiary colors created by mixing equal portion of one primary and one secondary colors. That is called tertiary color. Like violet plus blue is indigo, orange plus red is saffron, yellow plus orange is golden yellow or deep yellow. Analogous colors. These are the color of one category, or we can say same type of colors such as yellow orange, lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, Naples yellow, yellow ochre, or we can say lime green, emerald green, mint green, dark green, etc. Complementary colors. Complementary colors are any two colors which are directly opposite to each other in the color wheel, such as red and green are the complementary colors to each other. You can observe in this color wheel, orange is opposite to blue, violet is opposite to yellow. These are complementary colors to each other. Hot colors or warm colors. The colors which give heat and have maximum wavelength are called hot colors, such as red, yellow and orange. These colors evoke warmth because they are reminders of things like sun and fire. Cool or cold colors. The colors which give the effect of coolness or have minimum wavelength are called cold colors, such as blue, green and purple. These colors evoke a cool feeling because they remind us of things like water and grass. As you can see in the slide, a dividing line splits the wheel into warm and cool colors. Warm colors are red, orange and yellow, or we can say the colors related to heat and fire. And the cool colors are green, blue, magenta, or we can say that the colors related to air, sky and water. Neutral colors. The colors which have both the effects hot and cold or no effect called neutral colors. Neutral colors don't usually show up on the color wheel. Neutral colors include black, white, grey, and sometimes brown and beige. They are sometimes also called earthy tones. Effects of colors. Do you feel anxious in a yellow room? Does the color blue make you feel calm and relaxed? Artists and interior designers have long believed that color can dramatically affect the moods, feelings, and emotions. According to the color psychology, some important colors have the following effects. Like red is for the excitement, revolution, war, danger, etc. Yellow is for the cheerfulness, sunshine, warmness, brilliance, etc. Blue is for the coolness, royalty, truth, sadness. Green is for the relaxation, spring, festivity. And orange is for the knowledge, bravery. Violet shows royalty, dignity. White signifies peace, unity. Black is for the depression and darkness, etc. Perception of color are somewhat subjective. These were some color effects that have universal meaning. Thank you.